Alpin travels, Alpin travels, Alpin travels, Alpin travels.
I'm going to eat more food. I'm going to eat until I burst. I'm going to eat a lot of street foods today. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to try dishes that really deserve to be street foods. We're going to try like baked potatoes, we're going to try waffles, and we are going to try a banana milk which I never had before. The famous banana milk shop in Adana has a branch in Istanbul and we're going to there. I wonder why it is so famous, so I'm so curious about it, and let's go. It's 150 liras. Oh my god, it's too much just for one banana milk. We're gonna look for it.
Bakacağız.
There are different toast options here besides banana milk, and also here's like orange juice, carrot juice, something like that. So they give a normal glass of banana milk and they give a smaller banana milk next to it, friends. It smells like normal banana milk. I hope it tastes different because we paid 150 Turkish liras, and I hope it will be better than banana milk. Let's taste. It's too cold. Yes, the taste is quite normal. I was expecting something different. It is very similar to slushy, by the way. I think there is definitely ice in it. Is it good? Yes, it is good. Is it light? Yes, it is. Does it cold? Yes, it's cold very well, but 150 Turkish liras, so it's not worth it. I put another 40 Turkish liras on it, and I think I will eat Karadeniz döner. Guys, I watched a lot of videos on YouTube and everyone was giving very exaggerated reactions, but it tastes like normal banana milk. Maybe the Adana branches really like what they exaggerate, but this is the banana iced milk as we know. I can make it at home, by the way. But the small one came for free. By putting milk, ice, banana, and some milkshake powder and sugar in a blender, I think you can easily make this banana milk.
Tereyağı kaşar oluyor değil mi?
Tır oldu şimdi. Evet, aynen sosis olsun.
Başka ne atalım?
Şu önümüzdeki salatadan olur. Mısır olsun.
Evet.
Kısır da olabilir birazcık. Yeterli bence kısırdan sonra, değil mi?
Ketçap mayonez.
Olsun. Yok hayır teşekkürler. Burada. Ay maşallah. Çok teşekkür ederiz. Çok sağ olun. Şöyle koyabilirsen abi sağ olasın.
In Ortakoy, you can find many computer shops lined up next to each other. In the past, each shop represented a different Turkish football team, but now all the shops are of the same type. While you're walking on the street, the people in the shops call you, "Come sister, come brother," and try to attract you to their shops. You can find many kumpir shops lined up beside an Ortaköy. Kumpir is the name of dish made by crushing baked large potatoes and adding various appetizers into it. Salt and butter or margarine are added and mixed by crushing in the most common way of serving. Grated cheddar cheeses mixed into the potato, boiled sausages chopped into the potato, and also Russian salad. It can also be served with corn, olives, peas, mushrooms, or various appetizers. It can also be eaten with ketchup and mayonnaise. By the way, this kumpir is really heavy. A sister passing by on the street here asks me where she can buy a baked potato. I swear that is 1.5 kilograms. I swear, because it is so heavy. Let's do some practice with my left arm, but don't forget to practice my right arm. In addition, let's not deny that the brother who made the kumpir put more products than normal, probably because we are shooting a video, but that's okay. You will be very full with a normal portion, be sure of that and just trust me. I wanted kısır, sausage, corn, and also ketchup, mayonnaise inside and Russian salad inside, more cheese. I'm really hungry right now, so let's have a taste. It is so much that I think I can eat this kumpir for 3 days. I really have a hard time holding the kumpir because my arm really hurts. Please, just please hold this kumpir and see how heavy it is. Shafik held it and he said, I think it might be 5 kilos, but I said that my cat is 5 kilos, so I said this kumpir is not 5 kilos. It's definitely 1.5 or 2 kilos. Look at that mashed potatoes and sausage here. It's so delicious, by the way. Friends, normally we're going to try the waffle, but this kumpir is really too much and we don't want to throw half of it away because it will be wasteful. So we can finish this kumpir now and try the waffle in later video. Okay guys, thank you for watching me and please like my video if you like it, and if you don't like it, please comment down below and subscribe my channel for support. See you guys in other videos. Bye.